So guys, I'm going to be doing one small vlog on my skincare routine in the morning. And now, also guys, you're also welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Gabriella. So I'm mixing St. Ives oatmeal scrub with honey. I'm mixing them both together in my palm. So I'm going to be rubbing it on my face like this. So guys, I'm going to be launching this video very soon on my channel, guys. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also stay tuned for more coming up. So guys, avoid your eyes actually, because it's really sensitive, so you don't want to let it get there. So that's all. I'll be back in next 15 minutes. You leave for 15 minutes, then you go and wash up. But I'll be back to wash up, then I'll show you the results after 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I'll be back. And now I'm going to use my face down to wipe up my face. I'm using, you just pat on it slowly. Not no. You don't do that way. Just pat. I pat like this around my face to wipe up the excess water from my face. That's what I mostly do all the time. So guys, yeah guys, I'm back from the shower. Actually, water really splashed on my body and everything, so it really wet my clothes and everything, so I just finished washing my face. So guys, this is my skincare routine. So as you can see, my face is already glowing. So guys, it's just easy and simple for everyday routine. If you really like this, you can give it a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe below by touching that subscribe button also, and please share among your friends and also comment. Subscription is free. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same girl, same station, you know. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye for now. Stay blessed.